How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is the Wolf Around, and it's great to see you here. JetBrains' highly useful IDE for game development is now free for non-commercial use. In this video, I'll show you how to install and integrate Rider with Unreal Engine. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin, go to JetBrains' Rider download page. Download the installer and run it. Make sure to add Rider to your Windows path. After installation, a reboot is recommended. So, I'll go ahead and restart my computer. After reboot, launch Rider. Select Free Non-Commercial Use. Agree with terms and conditions, and click Login for non-commercial use. This will direct you to JetBrains login page in a browser. If you don't have a JetBrains account, create one and log in with it, and you'll be able to use Rider for free for non-commercial use. I switched to my main computer, since I recorded the installation on another computer to show you how to activate the non-commercial license. Now, let's move on to integrating Rider with the Unreal Engine editor. First, launch Unreal Engine and create a project using the third-person template. Once the project is created, go to Edit menu at the top of the Unreal Editor. Select Editor Preferences, and then open the Source Code section. Change the Source Code Editor option to Rider. The Unreal Editor will prompt a restart. Restart it. After restarting, go to Tools menu, select Refresh Rider Project, and then click Open Rider at the same menu. When Rider launches, it'll ask if you trust the project. Click Trust and Open. On the first launch, Rider will take some time to cache for quick intelligence on Unreal Engine libraries, which is one of Rider's top features for game development projects. Now, go to File menu and open Settings in Rider. In Languages and Frameworks, select Unreal Engine and click Install RiderLink in Engine. If you encounter an error on the first click, close the editor, wait a few seconds, and try again. Once installed, launch Unreal Editor by clicking Run or Debug button. Go to Edit menu and open Plugins and search for Rider. Both Rider Integration and RiderLink should be checked, indicating a successful installation. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I showed you how to install Rider for free and integrate it with Unreal Engine smoothly. We are just getting started on this channel. We'll dive into game development, 3D graphics with Vulkan, GPU hardware acceleration with CUDA, cross-platform C++ development, and more. And you can join the Wolfpack by clicking the subscribe button. I also have a video about how to properly install Unreal Engine on Windows, which I've linked here. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.